Erokamano Kristo wino kodo kiweche mag twak madhi nyime ni kweth mopogore opogore ne odhi nyime gi chwalo pachgi ne komiti matayo twak elo Azimio la Umoja kod Kenya Kwanza twak madhi nyime Bomas of Kenya. Mane Attorney General kinde mokalo Githu Muigai manochopo nyim komiti no okwayo ni owinjore rangi kaka inyalo loki chik mondo miduok chien kwan mar counties kod kwan kuonde chung' od bura manie pachoka. Ikindego bende commissioners machon mag IEBC bende pod oywago ni tim nonro ne duoko mar yiero mokalo. Eric Owenga nigi lerno.
Odiochieng' ma kawuono e kar romo ma Bomas of Kenya kama tima twak ma otele Kalonzo Musyoka gi Kimani Ichung'wah no dhi nyime gi rwako pacho ganda gi kweth mopogore opogore. Achiel kuomgi ne Attorney General machon Githu Muigai ma korka kore ne obedo kod kwayo mopogore gi paro mar kweth mamoko mosebedo ka chopo e Bomas of Kenya.
We have too many people in parliament. We have too many constituencies. So that we should be reducing constituencies, not increasing. We have too many counties. We should reduce counties, not increase counties. They are costing us a lot of money, and quite a number of them are not viable.
Githu no koni komiti ni thek ni oketi yo makare to jopiny ok bi yudo lal.
If we are to reopen this constitution, one of the issues we can usefully reopen is the reduction of counties. Bring more counties together and let them work together and mobilize resources together and share together.
Gesani duond buche ka achiel kod riwruok mag siasa temo kaka ginyalo geng'o josiasa magi dar tok yiero hie e duond buche magi. Kae Githu nochiwo yath.
If I presented myself to the people of Kamukunji as a member of the Kenya African National Union and I was elected as such, I should be obligated, if I am to continue for the 5 years, to retain fidelity to that party, the party on whose platform I was elected. If I crossed the floor, then I should vacate my seat and a by-election should be held.
Muigai bende nowacho ni Kenya owinjore obed kod apis moyiedhi mar jaket sirkal tesre, apisno ma omi luor kendo nigi teko mar luwo weche madhi nyime e Kenya.
The truth is, in a democracy, the opposition is a government in waiting. And therefore, in fact, the opposition has shadow cabinet ministers. They should be operating in parliament, shadowing the other cabinet minister, asking them questions that are informed. And the leader of the opposition actually has such high level of security clearance that he is briefed. He is briefed the same way the president is briefed.
Kopogore kod Githu Muigai, commissioners machon mag IBC bende ne ochopo mar chiwo pachgi. Francis Wanderi, Justus Nyang'aya ne ochopo aching' ka Irene Maset gi Julian Cherera to notudre gi romo e mbui ka gin e pinje maoko.
The effect of the violations, willful omissions, and an ad hoc decision by the chairman ensured that the investment in the KIMS was not used to achieve the objectives of transparency.
We're suggesting that the commission be led by the chairman and the commissioners who are full-time and accountable. So the accounting officer of the IBC should be the chairman of IBC. So that we do not have a law whereby the resources are being accounted for by the secretariat and the commission is just there to oversee or to oversight.
That was the day I decided that Kenyans will not go to the streets in my name and blood be shed. Monday morning, I resigned after that Sunday. I did not resign because of myself. I didn't come to the commission to resign. I resigned for the sake of this country. If anyone is to fight for me, God will fight my battles.
Iote margi jo IBC machon go dwaro ni tim nonro ne duoko mar yiero mokalo magiwacho ne ok otim e yo maratiro. Bende gidwaro ni med commissioners teko e duolno.
People already know how this election has gone. But that was stopped, and it was not something that we had agreed in the commission plenary. I asked about this 2 times, and the chairman said that he was busy tallying. And this tally, he was doing it alone.
Kagigolo ywak ewi arita margi makoro omiyo moko kuomgi ringo piny Kenya. E twak ma kawuono, jakom machon mar IBC Wafula Chebukati, Commissioner Abdi Gulie gi Boya Mulu to ne orem chopo, kata kamano ne gichwalo andika margi. Twago biro dhi nyime wuok tich mabiro. Eric Owenga.